Buried in forgotten archives, hidden behind classified files, lies a dark chapter of World War II history that almost no one talks about. These were experiments so secretive, so disturbing, that they were nearly erased from history. But today, we dig them up. World War II was more than a war fought on battlefields. It was also a war fought in laboratories, in cold underground bunkers, and in secret medical facilities. While the world focused on tanks and soldiers, a quieter and more terrifying battle was unfolding, one that pushed science to its darkest edge. In the chaos of war, Nazi scientists conducted experiments that they believed would change the future of medicine, aviation, and even human evolution. Many of these tests were designed to help soldiers survive extreme conditions: freezing temperatures, high altitudes, chemical exposure. But others were far more sinister. One experiment was so secret, it wasn't declassified until decades after the war. And what researchers found in those documents shocked even hardened historians. In Dachau, prisoners were subjected to extreme freezing tests. Scientists placed them in ice water to see how long they could survive, desperate to learn how to save downed pilots in the freezing Atlantic. Some were exposed to simulated high-altitude conditions, locked in chambers that dropped air pressure until they lost consciousness, just so researchers could learn how to prevent pilots from blacking out at 40,000 feet. Elsewhere, chemical experiments were conducted, not to cure disease, but to study the effects of poisons, gases, and burns. These were not willing volunteers. They were prisoners of war, resistance fighters, and ordinary civilians, forced into something they never agreed to. Imagine being trapped in a world where your very existence becomes someone else's experiment, where survival is just data on a clipboard. After the war, the world was horrified when the truth came out. The Nuremberg Trials revealed testimony from survivors, stories of cold, starvation, and pain that no one should endure. And because of these atrocities, the world agreed on something groundbreaking: the Nuremberg Code, a set of ethical principles that protect human subjects in medical research to this day. This dark history is a reminder of two things: how far humanity can fall, and how far we must rise to ensure it never happens again. These experiments, though forgotten by many, still whisper from the past, warning us to stay vigilant. If stories like this fascinate you as much as they disturb you, hit that subscribe button. The past wasn't pretty, but together we'll keep digging it up.